Thanks, Tom. Here in Portland, above freezing temperatures and afternoon sunshine helped melt away much of that snow that was on the streets and the sidewalks, but cleanup crews will still be working through the night. News 8's Steve Minnick continues our team coverage now, joining us live out on the streets of Portland. Steve?
Well, John, first of all, if you are one of the many people that will be coming down to Portland tonight to help ring in the New Year's, be aware there is a parking ban in effect. It begins at midnight and goes until 6 tomorrow morning. But Portland police tell us they will not begin towing cars that are downtown until 2 o'clock this morning. Meanwhile, most of us this morning woke up to a real mess. Another day. Yet again, the people of Portland are digging out from another snowstorm.
I'm loving it. It's not December without snow.
But this December's 3 feet of snow nearly triples the norm and is already taxing the city's snow removal budget.
We budget for 8 storms every year. This is our number 6. If we have to, we'll overexpend the budget. We try not to do that, obviously, but we will still provide the service. We're not going to not plow the streets or remove snow.
Of course, this latest snowstorm coincides with New Year's Eve. That means a lot of folks will be on the slippery roads heading downtown tonight to celebrate. Portland police are urging people to please just take it extra careful.
It may not be that you are behaving in a way that may cause an accident or something like that, but there are others out there that certainly have no regard for others and will not be responsible.
Go.
While the abundance of snow does present its share of problems, here at Payson Park, the more snow just means more fun.
A lot of fun.
And a popular powdery playground. All this snow this month, are you loving it or are you just hating it?
Well, we live in Maine, so you have to love it.
Now, you won't be loving it tonight if your car gets towed because of the parking ban. Now, here is a list of a few of the places that you can park free tonight. Deering Oaks on the left-hand side of the tennis court road only, the Fitzpatrick Stadium parking lot, the Hadlock Field parking lot, and the Cutter Street lots off the Eastern Prom. We have a complete list of all the approved parking lots on our website. Just go to WMTW.com. Now, meanwhile, the pile behind me here, where the city dumps just a portion of its snow, you can see it's growing. It's now 25 feet high and getting a lot bigger. In Portland, Steve Minnick, News 8, WMTW.